Hello everyone, and welcome to the Rlaarlo workshop. Today we will be demonstrating how to use the TK07 remote control. First, prepare 4 AA batteries and install them into the remote control. Then, close the battery cover, press the power button to turn it on. Once power on, the indicator lines on the remote control will display the current battery level. The channel 3 button is the front differential lock switch, and the channel 4 button is the rear differential lock switch. The steering wheel controls left and right steering. Pulling the trigger backward moves the RC car forward, and pushing the trigger forward moves the RC car backward. On the first row, the ST knob is the steering trim knob. If the RC car's direction drifts while driving, you can adjust it with this knob. The TH knob on the first row is the throttle center trim knob. On the second row, the ST knob is the steering travel knob. Turning the knob to the smaller value will decrease the wheel steering angle. When the knob is adjusted to its maximum value, the steering will have its maximum angle. The TH knob on the second row is the throttle travel knob. Adjusting this knob changing the RC car maximum forward speed. The channel 5 and channel 6 knobs are for customing function. The channel 7 switch is for the transfer case function, which allows you to switch between front-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and rear-wheel drive by moving the panel left, center, or right. The channel 8 button is the high-low speed switch. The channel 9 button is the RC car lighting switch. Each press circles through a different light model. Quickly turning the steering wheel twice will activate the hazard light mode. A quick third turn followed by a few seconds can disable the turn signal linkage function. The channel 10 is custom button. That concludes our guide on how to use TK07 remote control. Thank you for visiting Rlaarlo workshop again.